Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Analytics 4 to a WordPress site, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Analytics 4 to your WordPress site, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Google Analytics sign up page. Once logged in, click on the admin button located in the lower left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, locate the account column and click on the drop-down menu. Choose the account where you want to create the property. Next, go to the property column and select Create Property. Fill in the property name, select your reporting time zone, and the current. Click on Next to continue setting up your property. Provide information about your business and click Create. Review and accept the terms of service to proceed. After that, you will be taken to the Data Streams section. Click the Add Stream button and select the Web option. Enter your website URL and stream name, then click Create Stream. You will see your new data stream with a measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID for later use. Now, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left sidebar. Click Add New and search for GA Google Analytics or a similar plugin. Install and activate the plugin of your choice. Once activated, go to the plugin settings, typically found under Settings in the dashboard. You will see a field to enter your Google Analytics measurement ID. Paste the measurement ID you copied earlier into this field. Save the changes to update the settings. To confirm that Google Analytics is properly connected, go back to your Google Analytics account. Open the real-time report under the Reports section to see if your WordPress site is registering visits. Visit your WordPress site in a new browser tab and check the real-time report again. You should see your visit recorded in the Analytics dashboard. If you see the visit, congratulations! Google Analytics 4 is successfully connected to your WordPress site. If not, double-check the measurement ID and plugin settings for accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.